Hello. Welcome to Software Test Automation YouTube channel.
Hello, in last video we have learned how to launch Chrome browser, Firefox browser and Edge browser using Selenium WebDriver. In this video we will learn how to work with the navigations. Okay, so I will open this project in IntelliJ IDEA which we created in last session. So here inside this package Selenium Basics, I will create one more class called navigations demo. TC04 demo. Okay, so in this class we will see how we can work with the navigations. Okay, so this is normal Java class. So inside this I will add some code like to launch the browser using Chrome. Okay, so this is a sample code I will paste here. So here this is a main method. Inside a main method we have this system.set property. We are telling the Selenium WebDriver which browser we are going to use. We are using Chrome and this is the path to Chrome driver.exe. Then we created Chrome driver object and then we are using driver.get to open the website. This is how we are maximizing the browser and we are closing using driver.quit. Okay. So let me resolve this error. Okay, so there was issue with like jar file, so like the path was missing, so we just downloaded again. So this will launch the Chrome browser, right? Using driver.get, it will just launch the website, it will maximize page and close it. Let's see how it works, and then we will see what is the different operations we can perform. Navigation. Let's say I want to navigate back, navigate forward, or I want to refresh the page. So how we can do that using Selenium WebDriver? Those things we will be seeing here. Okay, so you can see the browser is launched. It navigated here, and then it will wait for 10 seconds, and then finally it will close the browser. So now here, after we maximize the browser, I want to navigate to another URL. So how we can do this using Selenium? This is possible in Selenium using driver dot navigate dot to URL. There is a method called to, and here we can pass the another URL. Okay, https://google.com. So this will navigate to the google.com. After that, let's say I want to wait for some 2 seconds. Okay, again after that I want to navigate back. So in the browser we have this option available. Okay, so I will show here. Let's say you are on Selenium website and you click some on documentation. So you can see we have this back option available on the top, back, forward, refresh also. So we are seeing these actions. Okay, so now once I navigate to this google.com, I want to navigate back. So for that we will be using method called driver dot navigate dot back, and this will navigate back. Okay, after that again I will wait for 10 seconds and I will navigate forward again. Navigate to forward. So here how to do that one? Using driver dot navigate dot forward. Okay, this is how we will do. Again I will wait for 2 seconds and then I will refresh the page. Okay, so why I am adding this wait every time? Because so that you will be able to see the execution, otherwise it will run very fast. And to refresh the page we use driver dot navigate dot refresh. Okay, so that's it. And if you want to see some other methods, so if you just type here navigate dot, you will see some more methods also are there. Okay, so you can, we see refresh is to refresh the page, back is to move back, forward is to move forward, to also if you want to redirect, Or there are some other methods also, wait and all, but that are not like much used. But these are like commonly used things. Navigate to another URL using driver.navigate to, and we have to pass URL. Driver.navigate.back is to go to the previous page. Forward is to navigate to forward, and refresh is to refresh the page. I will right click here, click on run, and let's see how it works. You can see browser is launched, it maximize, it navigated to Google, again it press back, again forward. Now it will refresh, and it close the browser. I hope this is clear how the navigation work in Selenium. So that's all about this video. Thank you.
Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get latest video updates.